a little bit cold outside, but I never see you and your coat, and you always know just what to say. You can turn your words into whiskey, and I feel like you might never calm down. No one sees it quite so stiffly, and I wish you'd see just how I see. There's a little bit of light at the end of this. You part your hair so softly, and I can see you practice how you stride. We'd like to see more of you now. We're all going out to the store today. Are you coming? Are you coming? We're all going out to the store today. Are you coming? We all want you to come, and we can play these games that you always play. We'll come running in. We're all going out to the store today. Yeah.
Casting light inside.
When did all the rain turn into mud? Or is it all just clearing on? I never did see too far ahead.
64,000. Oh no, sorry, 646,000
Just
heads.
wanna be right. Well, I just wish you'd see me. I can never lie, you would never tell. You just see right.
Yeah, it's gonna need.
We're all going out to the store today. Are you coming? Are you coming? We're all going out to the store today. Are you coming?
So, what's the plan?
All want you to come.
We'll come back another time in a month's time. Get it running. Bit of fresh oil, new oil filter. Looks like I might start.
Yeah. We'll start pretty much straight away.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Didn't we said the rego was cancelled like within the 4 years ago? So
Yeah.
within 4 years, it's been moved here. So it's run in the last 4 years.
It drove here,
Yeah.
and there's still oil in it,
Yeah, yeah,
and there's something in the cooling system, i.e. water or rust.
yeah. Rust.
Yeah.
So that might cool. I don't think it's not going to get hot driving around the yard. So that'll be alright for now until we. That might be a future thing.
Yeah.
But maybe next time we'll come around. There's one bad tyre. We can replace that. The spare looked like it was okay. So maybe we'll get some air in 4 tyres so we can move it. We'll clean the engine bay.
Yeah, because it's pretty dirty.
Because it's pretty dirty. Change the oil. Check the spark plugs. If we can get some cheap plugs, maybe we'll replace the plugs.
I think they're usually $6 each anyway, right?
So let's just add plugs.
Yeah.
What about the Dizzy?
I think
Is
we
that
should
something-
suss everything out, just see if it is usable first
Yeah.
before buying shit for it.
So maybe we'll just do oil and filter when we come up. We'll have it already there.
Yeah.
Is
Is
there-
there like a Repco or thing? in
There'd be
Brisbane?
some, yeah,
Or
there'd be
some
some.
reason.
Yeah,
for
that'd be.
it, yeah. I think we should just come
So-
here, just try and start it with whatever's in it, and then
Yeah.
go from there.
Yeah.
We'll come here early in the morning. Well, not early, but early enough. Dump the oil, replace that, charge the battery while we're doing it. So I'll
Yeah.
bring my battery charger, and then maybe we'll stick it on some jumper leads and give it a crank. It should crank. I don't see why not.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah,
And then
and-
from there,
And then from there we'll just
decide.
I don't
where
know,
we're
cut some
gonna
firewood
go.
or something with it.
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh yeah,
Just-
that'd be fun.
Yeah,
Take it up.
take
the
it up
paddock.
to the paddock and
Yeah.
just take the chainsaw up and just. There's a couple of trees down over the fence. So
Yeah, I
maybe
gotta
we
sort
can
them out now.
sort those out.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. That sounds good.
So next time in a month or so, we'll let's do that.
Yeah, done.
Done.